The campaign against gender-based violence (GBV) has gained renewed momentum in Cross River State as stakeholders advocate swift delivery of justice backed by effective enforcement of existing laws. The wife of the state governor, Bishop Enyowan Basi Otu, through her pet project, Humanity Without Borders Empowerment Initiative, in collaboration with the United Nations Population Fund, the Ministry of Women Affairs, and the Ministry of International Donor Commission, convened a two-day training for judicial officers and legal practitioners in Calabar. The reports.
The training focused on strengthening the knowledge of the judiciary and the legal community on the provisions of the Violence Against People Prohibition Law and their role in ensuring effective implementation. In her remarks, the board chairman, Humanity Without Borders Empowerment Initiative, Dr. Inyanga Sibong, noted that the judiciary plays a decisive role in the fight against gender-based violence, stressing that the victims of violence must not be denied justice.
We are here to train judiciary workers and members of the judiciary in general, and it's just to bring to the fore the problems that women face. Not only women, men also. So just to train them, to tell them more about this, while still all this is in a bid to reduce gender-based violence in our community and in our state.
Also speaking, the Commissioner for Women Affairs, Edemma Iram, reaffirmed the state government's commitment to safeguarding the rights of women and children, assuring that her ministry will continue to collaborate with partners and the judiciary in the fight against gender-based violence.
It is important that we also train the judiciary, because most times when issues of gender-based violence come up, naturally you need a lawyer, and where the lawyer does not have the necessary tools to tackle such cases, it becomes an issue. So it is important that they are grounded in gender-based violence terms and how to handle some of those issues technically.
Justice Elias Abwa of the Cross River State High Court, Calabar, acknowledged the importance of the training, noting that it will help deepen familiarity with the VAP law among judicial officers.
We are training to ensure that we can really understand what the laws mean, how we could apply the law, and how we can help secure our more vulnerable members of our society, especially the girl child, the women, the boys.
Other participants expressed satisfaction with the training, noting that it was enlightening and highly relevant to their professional responsibility.
What I'm taking home from this training is that I am a critical stakeholder, and my duty is to protect the rights of women and children, and by extension the rights of boys and men who are also suffering from gender-based violence.
Coming here today, even though I have knowledge about what it is, but it has reminded me to go and sharpen my skills, and it has made me to know the depth of the importance of this topic in our society and how it affects us, how it affects women, children, even the men.
At the close of the event, facilitators and participants called for stronger partnership, sustained advocacy, and continuous training to ensure that the fight against gender-based violence in Cross River State yield lasting results. Collins John, CRBC News.